G'day everybody, Joshua from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Porsche 911 sound system. Okay, and the tools you will need today is a 7mm spanner, small one, a 5mm Allen key, a torque 30 screwdriver and a torque 20. Alrighty, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove the two sides. This little guy here is held in with a torque 30. Once you get that out, this piece of carpet will come out quite easily, and it will expose 1, 2, and the other side will be identical. Once we've got that, this whole section will come out. There we go. It's held in with some clips, and that's what we're fighting against. Okay, we'll go ahead and do the other side now. Okay, so this bolt here, which is your 7mm, needs to come out that far in order to get the radio out, and your two Allen keys that need to be half turned on the sides. Once you've done that, the whole radio will come out. Okay, so these are the things you're fighting against. They're the Allen keys that you need to give half a turn. Once you've done that, radio will come out, and you'll need to unplug all these guys. Now, all these electrical cables are keyed, so don't worry about getting them in the wrong spots. And your radio is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.